Hey guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Guess what? We are at the beach. I'm gonna look a preview of the beach. Look how Jamaica nice people. Look Palm Beach people. Look over there so. It's very nice. You know something like the water from there. Now go road trip today. Beach time. So guys look. Look how Jamaica nice. Look how Jamaica nice. I'll put my foot in there and show you. Hold on guys. Huh? Don't they not take me away? So guys look. No they not take me. Oh. So guys look. No me not go, me just take one little video. So guys it's kinda rough today guys. So you see it's kind of rough but it's nice. It's very nice guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Jamaica nice, some people I want a little money and then everything is good. It's nice people. Look, I'm going to look zoom in. You can see over there, so you see one little bush island there. And you see down there, so you see I think a truckers thing over there. Yeah, it's trucker. If you can see it good, trucker do the thing when they end up on here and entertain me. Yeah. Yes guys, see it there. So you see anytime you see the mark there, means that there is, you know, can't go there, so deep. So when you see it, if you go to a beach and you see that mark there with some white spot or yeah, it's nice people. And then something here. And nice people. It's nice. Don't want me just to go to look at scenery and then tell them say, but I never feel so well. So look on it. It's also too road trip vibes, but you know, if I come with seed, I forget when I look up there, look on the sky, pretty Jamaican nice now people. Look there, look on the, what is something named Garline. Garline I eat something, I don't know where I eat, but the Garline this eat something. I full in belly. But the people, it's nice. Me I go no 3 minutes, not long. So ready if you go away. And the man up there say I cook him little food. And there's a tire shop there that if you're tire out, you can get Sandy Bay. So we are going to a nice. What a nice. I'm a foot. Look. What a nice people. Woo. Look. And see there's a crab people, look. There's a crab. See him there? There's a crab. So if you don't know, be careful, crab catch you down here. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. What is nice guys. So remember to like, see junk rock, see guys. Hey. Now come for me people. It's just nice people. Nice. Oh, it's nice guys. And sea grape. I think that's the sea grape. Yeah, I think I sea grape. So bye guys. Remember to share and subscribe to my channel until I see you another time. I will post up this video one of the days. Right there so people. Right there so see trucker pass the road pass there. And a piece more. Look a piece more. See it there? See it there? Look how far that there. Look there. Look there. Look there guys. Nice. Guys, until we see each other again guys, it was my pleasure. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's Keshina David. Bye. Have a wonderful weekend.